Okay guys, ever wanted a clean way to grow your email list without a boring, plain-looking form? Well, this section makes it look genuinely premium. Today we're adding this newsletter banner section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Newsletter Banner number 2. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for News, then choose that section. It'll be added instantly. Now, let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's change the heading to Subscribe. You should go ahead and subscribe too, honestly. We're just 988 subscribers away from 1,000. Now, let's scroll down, and right below that, you'll find the email input placeholder. If you want a different placeholder text, you can describe it here. I'm typing Proton Mail for this one. Right below that, there's a success message that shows up once a user enters their email. You can customize that too, but I won't be changing it right now. Below that, you can also change the section's background color. Let's set that to white. Last option here lets you adjust the padding, font size, and style, plus the arrow's hover color and its actual color too. Once you're done, hit Save, and this section goes live on your store instantly. You can check it out in view mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.